And white, no lint, you say no lint. Hello everyone, welcome to our ROXI tissue manufacturer. Today I will show you our production line. Let me show you our product. Our soft packing is cultural style. Look at the paper. Our paper is very soft and strong. And white, no lint, you say no lint. And we can customize the size, material, and layers. And the packing brands languages, whatever you want. Our factory is located in Baoding City, Hebei Province, one of the most biggest industry hub. Contact us, build your brand.